bird's eye view of Cape Town. I recently got to spend the most epic weekend in Cape Town with a bunch of friends that were here from America. I promised them that I'd put a video together so that they could show everybody back in the States how incredible South Africa is. This was our weekend. We fitted in a truckload of stuff, but it was absolutely incredible. I hope you guys love it. Remember to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all of the Good Things Guy vlogs, and we'll catch you next week. Wishing you guys only good things.